Okay. Good evening. My name is Melissa Celestial, and I'm going to discuss about finding the work you love. This is not actually just a work. It could be a business that you have been wanting to do, and just gonna find it. Before I start, these are all the comments, and I really appreciate you being here and doing this with me. What is recareering? Recareering is a deliberate transition to a new position with entirely different responsibilities. There are few people who have braved changing careers later in their lives. Ray Kroc started McDonald's at age 53. Anna Mary Robertson Moses, known as Grandma Moses, began painting in her 70s. Ronald Reagan and Arnold Schwarzenegger both jumped from actors to politics later in life. With the recession happening almost every decade or so, the number of people reinventing themselves at age 45 are growing. Some people faced by downsizing, outsourcing, offshoring, right-sizings, or other sort of dismissals find themselves forced to find a new job or career. Some people who prefer to retire feel squeezed by the economic realities such as the impossibilities of making ends meet. Others move to a similar position but with greater opportunities at other companies. Achieving happiness and success requires a tremendous amount of thinking, planning, and action. Recareering may represent a fresh start, but it does not automatically deliver a new beginning. Those who leap from one career to another may find themselves in a new profession, but with the same set of personal problems. Self-analysis is essential to career changing. You may find yourself asking the question, why did I even switch? What could I have been thinking? Switching from one career to another does not happen overnight. Success revolves around preparation, planning, and constant adjustment and adaptation. But even if the recareering is somewhat confusing in nature, the goal of the undertaking is unmistakable: to find greater clarity in your work and in your life. Recareering knows only the bounds we impose on ourselves. Thank you.